friends, welcome to Infinite Coaching Classes. Today we are going to discuss the English Circle Chapter 4, My First Bird Watching at Golibore. Make a list of all the birds spotted by the writer. A pair of menas, spotted owlet, blue-faced malkoha, a pair of wood-eater flycatcher, Tickle's blue flycatcher, brown fish owl, Indian cuckoo. Next question. Answer the questions given below in your own words. What is the significance of the word clock when it comes to the process of bird watching? Answer is, in the process of bird watching, the word clock is a code word used to denote the position of a bird on a tree without having the point at it. The naturalist use this system of direction to tell his party where the bird he spots is. Where exactly is the writer bird watching? Are the locals of the area doing the same? If not, what are they doing? Answer is, the writer is bird watching in Golibore, a small fishing camp located on the banks of the river Kaveri. The locals of the area are not bird watching, they are fishing for the mahashir. Next question. Who helps the writer develop an interest in bird watching? What does she eventually learn? Answer is, a naturalist helps the writer develop an interest in bird watching by showing her how to look at birds and identify them. She eventually learns that birds could be identified by their shapes, sizes, curve of their beaks, color of their rumps, and their calls. Next question. Why is the blue-faced malkoha called so? Answer is, the blue-faced malkoha, which has a body that sometimes shimmers green, is called so because it has a blue patch around its eyes, a bird's name, and the color attributed to it are not often synonymous. Next question. What is the basic skill required to be a bird watcher? How does the writer accomplish? Answer is, the basic skill required to be a bird watcher is patience. The writer accomplishes this skill and can stare at a same tree for hours as if she is in a meditation for any sign of movement. Next question. How do the writer's friends react to her once she develops the basic skill of bird watching? Answer is, once the writer develops the basic skill of bird watching, patience, and grazes at the same place for infinity for the sight of a bird, her friends either find her assuming or think that she has gone crazy. Next question. How amusing or think that she has gone crazy. Next question. How is the writer different from the other bird watchers? Answer is, for the usual bird watchers, the process is all about thinking the names of birds they sight, ticking the names of birds they sight off their lists. The writer is different because for her, bird watching is a sense of high as she marks a new discovery among the trees. It brings out the curiosity in the writer. Next question. Whom does the writer refer to as one more bottle bird? Why? Answer is the writer refers to the Indian cuckoo as one more bottle bird because the call that the cuckoo makes sounds as if it is saying the words one more bottle. Next question. Read the lines given below and answer the questions that follow. I feel on top of the world, expressing a sense of high at my newfound discovery. What is the newfound discovery referred to in the above line? Answer is the newfound discovery referred to in the given line is a spotted owlet that the writer has spotted and identified. What does the newfound discovery look like? Describe. Answer is the spotted owlet is a small and stocky owl. It has white spots, brown streaks, and bright yellow eyes. Where is the newfound discovery spotted? Answer is the bird is spotted in a hollow in the bark of a coconut tree. Next question. I later learned that a bird's name and the color attributed to it may not necessarily be synonymous. Why does the writer say above words? Answer is the writer says the given words because she has just spotted the blue-faced malkoha, which does not have a blue body but only a small blue patch around its eyes. What example does naturalist give to prove the above point? Answer is to prove his point, the naturalist gives the example of black kite, which is actually brown in color. List some examples to show that most birds are known by their hues. Answer is some example that shows that most birds are known by their hues are different varieties of the bulbul, red-whiskered bulbul, red-vented bulbul, grey bulbul, yellow-throat bulbul, and ruby-throated bulbul. Next question. As I plan to leave a loud call of 4 beacons me, who does I refer to in the above line? Answer is I refers to the writer of the blog. Describe the loud call who did it belong to. Answer is the loud call that the writer hears is not a hoot, chirp, song, or whistle. It sounds like the bird is saying one more bottle. The call belongs to the Indian cuckoo. What was the listener's reaction when she heard the loud call for the first time? Answer is when the writer heard the loud call for the first time, she was transfixed as she had never heard that sound before. Next question. Replace the noun phrase underlined below with noun clause. Shanta reached school just in time. Answer is Shanta reached school just in time. Underline the phrase and circle the clause in the sentence given below. Shanta reached school just in time. Answer is Shanta reached school just in time. Just in time is phrase. Next question. Nikita was standing near the blackboard. Answer is Nikita was standing near the blackboard. Near the blackboard is phrase. Next question. The hare ran the race so that he would win the prize. Answer is the hare ran the race so that he would win the prize. So that he would win the prize is clutch. Next question. I am glad that he has become the class monitor. I am glad that he has become the class monitor. That he has become the class monitor is clutch. Next question. The choir is singing Christmas carols in a beautiful way. Answer is the choir is singing Christmas carol in a beautiful way. In a beautiful way is phrase. Next question. Mother bought a new book for me. Answer is Mother bought a new book for me. A new book for me is phrase. Next question. The jury declared that the prisoner was guilty. Answer is the jury declared the prisoner was guilty. That the prisoner was guilty is clutch. Next question. You are looking beautiful in this picture. Answer is you are looking beautiful in this picture. In this picture is phrase. Next question. When Swami was at school, he won many prizes for mathematics. Answer is when Swami was at school, he won many prizes for mathematics. When Swami was at school is clutch. Next question. We all admire a person who has integrity. Answer is we all admire a person who has integrity. Answer is who has integrity is clutch. Next question. Replace the phrase with a clutch. I did not know the place of her birth. I do not know the place of her birth. Answer is I do not know the place where she was born. Next question. We meet a girl with beautiful brown eyes. Answer is we meet a girl who had beautiful brown eyes. Next question. Nobody knows the time of her arrival. Answer is nobody knows the time when she will arrive. Next question. The soldiers fought in a heroic manner. Answer is the soldiers fought in a manner that was heroic. Next question. The accident took place on the road which is in front of Shelley's house. Answer is the accident took place on the road which is in front of Shelley's house. Next question. Hare spoke in a rather rude manner. Answer is Hare spoke in a manner that was rather rude. Next question. The Helen of Troy was a woman of great beauty. Answer is the Helen of Troy was a woman who was very beautiful. Next question. The tourists reached the sunset point after the sunset. Answer is the tourists reached the sunset point after the sun had set. Next question. The doctor next door is friendly and wise. Next answer is the doctor who lives next door is friendly and wise. Next question. The schoolboy went out wearing a blue shirt. Answer is the schoolboy went out wearing a shirt which was blue in color. Next question. Replace the noun phrase with a noun clutch. The doctor is hopeful of his recovery. Answer is, the doctor is hopeful that he will recover. Next question. I heard of his success in the race. Answer is, I heard that he succeeded in the race. Next question. I expect to hear from you soon. Answer is, I expect that I will hear from you soon. Next question. The judge believed the man to be guilty. Answer is, the judge believed the man was guilty. Next question. The time of her arrival is not known to me. Answer is, the time when she will arrive is not known to me. Next question. The pair of yellow shoes is not for sale. Answer is, the pair of shoes which are yellow is not for sale. Next question. The glistening snow covered the pine leaves. Answer is, the snow which was glistening covered the pine leaves. Next question. The shopkeeper gave the little boy a candy. Answer is, the shopkeeper gave the boy who was little a candy. Next question. The poet went along the long and winding road. Answer is, the poet was along the road which was long and winding. Next question. The students consider Mrs. Rao is their favorite teacher. Answer is, the students consider that Mrs. Rao is their favorite teacher. Next question. Fill in the blanks with A or OU. S, Dex, Dex, C, E. Answer is, sauce. D, Dex, Dex, G, H. Answer is, dough. B, Dex, Dex, G, H. Bot. T, R, Dex, Dex, M, A. Answer is, trauma. L, Dex, Dex, N, C, H. Answer is, lunch. S, Dex, Dex, G, H, T. Answer is, shout. I, Dex, Dex, L, Dex, Dex, N, G, E. Answer is, long. H, Dex, Dex, G, H, T, Y. Answer is, hottie. S, C, R, Dex, Dex, N, G, E. Answer is, scrunch. D, I, S, T, R, Dex, Dex, G, H, T. Answer is, distraught. Next question. Complete the following sentences by adding a noun clutch. It is unfortunate that we have a great loss in our business. Next question. He replied whatever in his mind at that time. Next question. I wonder how the universe works. No one knows where the stranger disappeared. Next question. I heard that you are going abroad for your higher studies. Next question. I expect that I shall come first in the examination. Next question. The dreamer dreams that one day our earth will be a peaceful planet. Next question. On weekends we can do what we want to do. Next question. The topic of my research work is how we can make our everyday life easier. Next question. It is time to choose a gift for who have done so much for us. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.